Welcome back to Scottish Lifestyle, and here today I have Shane and Liana with me, and we're going to be making Liana's favorite, some cabbage and saltfish the Jamaican way. So I'm going to let them do all the work. I'm just going to walk them through the process, so stay tuned guys. Alright, so we did some preparation before, so I have all my season here. I have some onion, sweet pepper, tomato, scallion, thyme and garlic, and I have my saltfish already cleaned up, and you can look how to do this from a previous video, the one with the ackee and saltfish. I show you guys how to clean the saltfish and everything. And here I have some pimento seed, and I have some salt, some black pepper and some salt that we'll be using. And here's the cabbage, one whole cabbage. So we're going to use all of these ingredients together to get it ready. Let me show you. So I'm going to show you how you can do it easy. Let's get the water out.
So guys, we're learning just like how you guys learning right now.
And so this is an easy way to do it. You can just hold it like this, and then you can just go like this. Or if you want, you can put it on the board. So you do the same thing.
Okay, I'm gonna do the board.
Go ahead, I'll show you. You can do this. Cabbage cut up, we're going to start the cooking process. So follow us to the stove.
Okay.
So I'm gonna light the stove. So once the pot is hot, we're going to add some oil to it. And like our steaming the cabbage, we do not need a lot of oil, we just need a small amount.
Okay.
Just to saute the season with the saltfish. So we're going to add some oil to the pot now.
Okay.
Go ahead, Liana.
More?
Just a little bit more. That's it. Add a little bit more, just a little bit more.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
That's good.
Yeah, that's good. So I'm gonna let the oil get hot.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, now Liana, put in the vegetables.
Alright, guys, I'm excited. I'm putting in the vegetables. Alright. Go ahead. Wow, this smells good already.
Okay, so you want to saute it for about 2 to 3 minutes.
Okay.
And then we're gonna add the sausage to it.
Cut the onion, yeah. Separate them. Alright, so he said cook it for 2 minutes. Guys, this is so good. Especially if you're like on a diet, I suggest cook some cabbage.
Guys, stay tuned for the Lower Family Restaurant. Coming soon.
Yes.
Alright. You can turn the fire down a little bit. Right here, yeah. So just keep stirring it, Ocean.
So do you want the vegetables to be like really soft or like medium soft?
Medium soft.
Okay.
But remember they're gonna steam with the cabbage, so.
So guys, since they cook with the cabbage, you don't want to overcook your vegetables.
So now you can add the saltfish.
Now we add the saltfish. Look at how it looks.
Put on pan.
You see that? Not too soft. Now let's add this.
Ensure that it's covered properly and turn the flame down so that you can get it to steam. Alright, so we're going to let it steam for 5 to 10 minutes before, and then we're going to add a few pimento seed in it, also the black pepper and a little salt, and we're going to add a piece of butter too. Butter.
Okay.
Yeah, so
butter now or later?
Yeah, we'll add it later. Okay. So we're going to let it stay for 5 minutes, and then we're going to show you when we're adding the pimento seed and the black pepper and the little salt. So go ahead, Liana. I want you to add around 6 pimento seed.
Can you also crush them up, like grind them if you want?
Yeah, you can if you want to. That's okay, that's alright. So you're gonna add those. Then you can add some black pepper. Not a lot.
Alright.
Sprinkle it. Sprinkle it all over. No, Shane, you can stir it, stir it. Remember guys, the saltfish is in there, so
It's already salt.
It's already salt, so you don't want to add too much salt. What you're gonna do, you're gonna taste it while you cook it.
Right.
See if it needs more salt. And we're also going to add a piece of butter. And remember guys, butter contains salt too, so we have to be careful with the amount of salt that we had. So you're going to add a spoon of butter.
Move the pot back a little bit.
Move what?
The pot on the fire, yeah. This, look guys, just a spoon.
You can add a little bit more.
A little more?
Yeah. And that's it. You can add a little bit more black pepper.
Okay.
Because it's a lot of cabbage. Yeah, that's okay. So we're going to cover this and we're going to let it steam
For another
15 minutes, and then it's good to go. You're going to taste it then and see if it needs more salt.
Okay, perfect.
Salt? Fresh?
No? It's
okay.
good.
Okay.
You try now.
Perfect. Okay,
No
so we're
salt,
going to
right?
cover it and let it steam for 15 minutes, and then we're going to turn it off and show you guys the finished product.
God, look how good that look.
That looks great. I love it.
And it smells really good too. Guys, you gotta stay tuned for the Loyal Family Restaurant. It's coming soon.
And here we have Liana making some
Sweet plantain.
sweet plantain versus ripe plantain for our stuff with the cabbage. So look at it guys.
Healthy meal. The carbs balance out with these vegetables.
So stay tuned for the finished product.